Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office. Today I have a snorkeling set. So what it basically is just the mask and a snorkel. It doesn't come with any fins or anything like that. But I'm showing you just how I got it. I opened it up out of the box and it was not even closed in the thing itself. So I don't know if it even can be or not. We're gonna try to put it back in and see if it closes or if the box is just a sham. So let's check this out and see how this mask looks. So here we go. Here's all the different pieces and parts on it. So this is the mask. It's got a nice glass mask, so that I like. I've seen some of these plastic ones and they scratch up and they're just a pain in the butt. So it's nice to have something so glass. So that I'm giving it a thumbs up for. I go scuba diving with my kids sometimes, and so I like a nice glass mask. I'm not sure I would use this for scuba diving, probably just for snorkeling out in Florida. And so let's see, how do we do this now? So just try to check it out and see how it goes. You push the little thing tightens up. So right there, it's kind of there. If I push the buttons on the sides, it pushes this out a little bit, and then you can adjust it and make it bigger, or just pull to make it smaller. So, and then you push this down. So that's kind of how it locks into place. Let's give it a try, see how it goes. Take off my glasses here. And here we go. So this is what it's like. It's a little loose down. Let's see. So this is about how tight I would have it. And it definitely puts a good seal out there. You're not gonna leak if I try to blow out my nose. You can hear it farting. It's fogging up because I blew out my nose. But I like that. And the rubber on it is so soft. It feels so good. I mean, this is one of the most comfortable masks I think I've ever had in my life. I've had some decent rental ones that were pretty nice, but this one here, it really makes a good seal, and it really is nice. It seals good, and it's just so comfortable. I don't even need a strap on it. It seals up so good. I think what it is it's got the seal around here, just the rubber stuff, and then it's got like a little inner part too, so it really holds on good, and it's so soft and feels nice. Covers your nose good. I mean, it's just it's a comfortable mask, that's for sure. And the way it's made out of glass is good. It seems like it's, connected at the edges really well. So, I mean, I like this. As far as masks go, this is probably my favorite mask ever so far. And then here's the snorkel. So let's see what's going on with the snorkel. Let's see what goes on here. So, I mean, this is gonna be the thing up there. How does it go? So, here we go. So there. And then this will connect up to the mask. So this is what it looks like when it's assembled. And so there. So seems good, breathes pretty good. I mean, I'm not gonna do too much, although I just put it on my mouth and I haven't even washed it or anything, but whatever. But it's got the little ball in it, so the ball will go up and when it's in the, underwater, and so it probably, I can't breathe in with it when it's upside down because the ball's blocking the little inlet port. So, I mean, that's how the concept of these things are. So these are kind of cool, these things here, because they let you dive. I remember back in the old, I never had any of these kind of things in the old days. It was always just that you breathe and then someone splashes water in there and you get water in your mouth. But now they got these things and it's kind of cool, so you can dive under the water and everything like that, and you don't have to do that, like you usually have to do to clear it out, because it just stops up itself as you go under the water. So it's pretty cool, so I like it. So I'm giving this thumbs up for me. It's a cool snorkel, and it kind of comes back apart again here. It's got that same really soft silicone or whatever it is that the mask had, these parts here. And now let's do that, see if we can fit it back in the box, see if it actually fits, because when I got it, I told you it was already open in the box. So this is gonna fit this way. So if I put that all the way down, I think it's gonna fit. Let's see. And then this, it's gonna fold in half. Totally fits, okay. So it fits, okay, so yeah, so let's see, I got the mask. I put the mask in face down, then I put the two pieces over it, put this thing over it, snorkel, and then this on top, and it's closed, and we're golden. So it does fit in the box. I guess it just popped open during shipping, so no problem putting it in there. This will make it nice and easy to carry and store, just so it doesn't get goopy and lost in all the different parts and dust and whatever in it when I don't use it. So I'm giving it a thumbs up. Here's some information on the bottom if it's anything that you're interested in. Put my glasses back on so I can see. But it says on it, Keystand diving masks and snorkel, adult youth with travel case. So there you go. So that's what it has on it. And definitely a thumbs up from me. I've been wanting a good snorkel set, so this is it. I'm gonna need some new fins too, because my other fins, God, they're so warped for some reason. I don't know what happened. I think I just had them up in the attic or something in the hot sun. But so I like these, and thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some more review videos soon. Take care, everybody. Link in the description. Subscribe and like this video.